Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, stability control, remote engine start, traction control, backup camera, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.